Hey everyone, in this video we will compare Telnyx and Twilio. Telnyx and Twilio both offer powerful communication APIs but with key differences. Twilio is a leading cloud communications platform that provides many APIs for SMS, voice, video, and email. It is known for its scalability, suitable for businesses of all sizes, from startup to large enterprises. It offers extensive documentations and developer tools, allowing for seamless integration. Its global reach and wide services make it a top choice for versatile communication solutions. However, pricing is expensive as you scale, which may be a concern for smaller companies. It is ideal for those needing a reliable, flexible, and comprehensive communication platform. Meanwhile, Telnyx is a communication platform offering voice, messaging, and APIs with a focus on cost-effective solutions. It provides high-quality voice services and flexibility in managing communications. It offers competitive pricing, especially for voice, attracting cost-conscious businesses. It gives more control over network infrastructure, which benefit businesses with specific needs. While it lacks some features of Twilio, it excels in voice and messaging performance. It is ideal for businesses that want reliable and cost-efficient communication options. In my opinion, Twilio is ideal for broad, robust solutions, while Telnyx offer affordable, customizable, and reliable services. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.